Hello, we're back here again today and we're going to look at some teenage cooking. So I'm here with my daughter Aoife. Aoife is going to show us how to make one of her favourite pancakes. Really simple, easy, quick and tasty. So off you go, Aoife.
Yeah, so today we're going to make a peanut butter pancake. So first we'll start off with 1 cup of self-raising flour and we'll put that into the Nutri there.
The NutriBullet is brilliant. It's great for mixing up foods, dips or anything like that really quickly. So we love the NutriBullet and it's very easy to wash up.
And then I'm going to
flour, 1 cup of flour,
and then I'm going to put 1 cup of oat milk. You can use any other milk, but I prefer oat milk. It tastes nice.
So you can use dairy milk, or you could use coconut milk, or soya milk, or what else? Cashew milk, or any of the other ones that you wanted as well.
And I'm going to put 2 eggs in.
Eggs are a great source of protein. Really, protein's good for growth and repair, and teenagers are growing a lot, and so they need all the protein they can get, and it can be deficient in a lot of diets, actually, teenage diets.
And then 1/3 cup of peanut butter.
So peanut butter. You could also use almond butter, and you could use something different if you were intolerant to nuts. You could just leave it out altogether and look at my other pancake recipe. So peanuts, just before we go on, Aoife, peanuts are a rich source of B vitamins, which are really good for the nervous system, and the nervous system is very important to us all, especially teenagers when they're growing and when they're lots of hormone changes and everything like that. So we have the B vitamins, tryptophan, another one good for, it's an amino acid, that's the feel good factor, so we feeling good, mood, keeping the mood up at all times, and it's just really I suppose another good source of protein, very good. And the final
a tablespoon of chia seeds.
So chia, we love the chia. The chia seeds are great. You can use them milled, or you can use them, the full grains. It doesn't matter. The NutriBullet will blend them all up. But they're a really good source of omega-3s, dampening down inflammation. What else? Concentration. Again, filling you up, lots of protein, and they're really good.
And I'll just put them into the NutriBullet. So now I'm going to pour it into a pan on a medium heat with oil on it, and you'll know when they're cooked when they're after a minute or 2 and there's bubbles coming up or appearing. So now once the bubbles come, they're ready to turn, and they'll cook for another minute or 2, and then they'll be cooked. And you can do a couple on a pan at once, or you could just do one like I am doing now. So now the pancake is ready, and we can put it on a plate and it's ready to be served.
Brilliant. So the pancake now can be served with, in our case we probably put some soya yogurt on it. You could also put, we have some dairy yogurt there, so something like the Glenisk yogurt, where you would put a little bit of the vanilla essence. Now the reason you'd use that over the, one of the ones that would be flavoured, there's lots of sugar in the flavoured yogurt, so just a little drop of the vanilla essence into plain yogurt is beautiful. You could do our favourite, lemon with a little bit of brown sugar, or you could just put some berries, or a little bit of maple syrup, depending, or homemade Nutella, something like that would be lovely with it. So that's it, you have a complete meal.